Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So everyone knows that monsoon season has arrived, right? So आज कुछ अलग करें, चलते हैं monsoon का मज़ा लेने घर से बाहर. So, there is no better option to start our journey, which is Mumbai. We are heading towards Khopoli via Mumbai Pune Expressway. Now, let me tell you guys, you're going to witness the nature at its best in monsoon, and you know what is icing on the cake is these tunnels, waterfalls, beautiful mountains, and greenery. So, what else do you need for a quick detox from daily hustle bustle? So, enjoy the journey with me. बातों बातों में ये तो बताना भूल ही गई कि हम जा कहाँ रहे थे. हम जा रहे हैं आदोशी वाटरफॉल विच इज़ इन खोपोली. नॉट एवरी वन नो अबाउट दिस प्लेस बिकॉज इट इज़ नॉट दैट फेमस येट. So finally, after traveling for around 2 hours, we have reached Adoshi. Now here in Adoshi, there are multiple ranges of waterfall, but this is the most accessible one. Now can you see the water stream? This is coming from the Adoshi waterfall. There's a saying that in nature, nothing is perfect, but everything is perfect. You will surely be mesmerized by the beauty of the nature. So, this is a trek trail towards the waterfall. सेम पाथ पे इफ़ यू विल कंटिन्यू ऊपर की साइड तो यू विल सी मल्टीपल रेंजेस ऑफ वाटरफॉल, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली बिकॉज ऑफ हेवी रेन दैट डे वी वर स्टॉप्ड बाय अथॉरिटी. बट दिस वॉज अ वेरी गुड एक्सपीरियंस एंड you should definitely visit it if you can. So please subscribe for more such videos and be safe. Bye.